Hello, welcome to today's video tutorial. My name is Stacey Marsh. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator here in the UK. Today we're going to be making this card design here. I have used some papers from this year's celebration promotion. This is the Paper Blooms DSP. It's free with a £45 order here in the UK. And I've used items here from the Perennial Petals dies, which is part of the mini catalogue that launched at the start of January. To receive notifications of future tutorials from me, please feel free to click the subscribe button. You'll receive some notifications whenever there's a new tutorial posted by me. Right, so let's get started. I have started with a card base from Rococo Rose Cardstock. This is a standard C6 card base, meaning it's half a piece of A4 cardstock folded, cut in half and then folded. This is a tent fold card, meaning that it stands like a tent. To stop it from doing that motion there, all you need to do is burnish your edge with a bone folder and then it stands up really, really nicely. Okay, I have a piece of DSP here. This measures 10 centimetres by 10 centimetres square. We're going to stick that directly onto our card using, I'm going to use some of the seal here. This is the back of this paper. It really is very pretty. Lovely, lovely images, and I really like the colours that this coordinates with as well. So I'm just adding some strips of glue there, or adhesive. And this is going at the top of the card, so there is an equal border of cardstock showing along both sides and at the top. And then we've got this bigger space here at the bottom. I have gone ahead and cut my flowers already. So we have the large flower outline and the smaller one. They will be mounted together. We have this lovely, we have the same flower in Seaside Spray. Now this middle flower here comes from the small bloom punch. So all we're going to do is we're going to punch one of those out like so. And that then goes in the middle. Okay, for our sentiment area, I'm going to use a punch again. And this is the 2 1/4 inch punch, really, really handy. I'm going to cut a piece of Whisper White with that. So a nice, quick and easy card design for you today. Our sentiment comes from the Itty Bitty Birthdays stamp set, and it's your day. Use any one of those, they're really, really useful. Not just for birthdays but for a number of occasions. So let's just pull that out. I have stamped that using a Misty Moonlight ink pad that matches the colour cardstock that we've got there like so. Ink up our stamp, and this is going to be stamped towards the right hand side of our circle like so, and then it's just a case of putting it all together. So for this we take our dimensionals, and we can pop our sentiment circle on like so. I've popped it on so that the bottom overhangs that DSP, and then when it comes to mounting our flowers, this is a good technique just for kind of shaping them a little bit. We are going to use our glue dots. Oh, the centre has just popped out. Use our glue dots to pick up that flower, and then that gets stuck down like so. Again, we can shape this ever so gently. Pick up the centre. Glue dots are great for mounting your layers together. It's a little less messy than using your wet glue. And then our second one. And then for this little guy we do exactly the same. Just push the nib of our Tombow in to pick up. It's just to shape that ever so slightly. There we have it, and then all that's left to do for that card front is to add our gems. I've used the Holiday Rhinestones. These come in 5 different colours. so they are really, really useful to have. And I'm going to add these larger gems at the bottom. This is actually Pool Party in colour, but they go really well with this card design. And there we have it, our finished card for the day. All that I would need to do now is just add a layer inside of white so that it's ready to write on and send. If you have any questions about any of the products I've used, feel free to send me a message or leave a comment below. All of these products are available in my online store to purchase now. Don't forget to use the hostess code and you'll receive a free gift from me next month. Thanks so much for watching today. Really appreciate you spending your time. Take care everyone. Bye.